This is such a special plant, and we are so lucky to have this beautiful little friend. My pride and joy has been here with Penstemon clutei. She's this gorgeous endemic plant to the cinder fields around Flagstaff, and this is the only place that she's found in the whole world. So I've done a lot of studies with her, looking at fecundity. At the beginning of the season, when they're in bloom like this, I'm coming out to find the biggest, most beautiful plants with the most flowers, the most stems. That's what I'm looking for, to get the highest representation, hopefully, of what their fecundity can be. Then I tag 3 stems and I count all of the blooms from the top of the stem to the bottom of the stem. So then in the fall-ish, late summer, early fall, I'll come out and I clip the stem from the base, take all of the seed pods and I count them all, see how many seed pods total there are, and I'll count the number of seeds in 2 of the pods, and that will give me a good idea of how many pods roughly there are per big plant, as well as how many seeds there are roughly per pod on a plant. None of what I'm collecting is going to waste in any way. Sometimes in the seed pods there are little parasitic bugs or insects, stuff like that. So I try to keep those separate, see if I can ID them. And in this case, with ERI doing most, if not all, of the research on Penstemon clutei, getting any additional information is beneficial so that we can know how this population of plants reacts to different stimuli like fire, or just generally other things like heat and climate change, so we can protect this species and keep it as a Flagstaff staple. After my undergrad, I think that I would really like to get my master's and do some more work on this plant, just because there's very little known about it and there's so many questions we can ask.